Greasehouse exhaust by Indimitard based in Bangalore. Now let's jump into the review of Greasehouse Thumper for Royal Enfield. They are tuned to sound closest to the thump of the old iron cast bullet. The best being that they are not too loud and irritating at high revs. It has ceramic wool which lasts much longer than glass wool used in most of the aftermarket exhausts, and it also ensures maximum thermal efficiency. Forget about the rust. Only the joint that connects the bent pipe is made of stainless steel, the rest is all aluminium body. That means less weight and no rust. They are also dyno tested to increase the power of the engine from the stock to 3.5 bhp, thus resulting in more torque and greater top speed. Now let's hear the note of the exhaust. Now the decibel test has cops catch exhaust with more than 90 decibels in India. Maximum decibel reached is 84. Also keep in mind that it is a free-flow silencer. So if you hear misfiring from your engine, which is common in 500cc engines, it does not reduce the misfiring. Instead, I found a solution. By blocking the PAV, or pulse air valve, found just below the fuel tank towards the exhaust manifold. What it basically does is allow fresh charge of air into the exhaust to burn off excess hydrocarbons exiting from the exhaust of the engine. Once it's blocked, the excess hydrocarbons just escape into the atmosphere without getting burnt in the exhaust. Also note that this feature is only on 500cc variant and not in 350cc variant, so it doesn't make a big deal. If you still are a nature lover, do keep the PAV in place, or else, like me who had to get rid of the misfiring due to cops catching me, I had no option but to just block it.